Bafethu. There you have it. Mamelodi Sundowns taking on Polokwane City. Mamelodi Sundowns, of course, being victors by 3-0. In Polokwane City, in the start of the game, they took the game to Mamelodi Sundowns. They were attacking, Matuluri doing well, but unfortunately, Mamelodi Sundowns just had to be the dominant team. It's 3-0 at the Loftus Stadium. I have Nkuli Soka. I have Lerato here with me. We are going to give you a post-game analysis. Nkuli, what did you make of the game?
Game being convincing mayiqala for iMamelodi Sundowns ngishilo ukuthi second half itempo izoba different sibonile second half aba direct bakwazi ukcreate ama opportunities even nalabantu lababa ngenile zamasapho bengicabanga ukuthi ilo iPolokwane City zo risk moye phambili create ama chance but guess what iPolokwane City wa create ama chance two obvious chances bekune penalty bekune naleli ulona undamana bamphelo abagiftile bahluleka ukuconvert yabo igame ngabe ibe yi2-2 ngaleso sikhathi leso but ke bona bahlulekile iSundowns they were not that dangerous to be fair yabo iPolokwane City bekumele idlale ngama moments idlale ngama counter ikwazi ukuzigcina lapha ne game but I think it was not their day because baye lapha nePitori ukuyo respecta iMamelodi Sundowns bayihlonipha I think bayiniki respect engayi deserve because mawubheka imatch ayi deserve le respect le iMamelodi Sundowns but it's a game of football man if you don't take your chances this is what you get that is why Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje ihleli number 3 ngabe ihleli number 1 because they did not take their chances
and izo ehliye number 7 when the game started Polokwane City looked convincing Kaufela mo studio were thinking game itloba interesting Mamelodi Sundowns iyayifetula the first goal ibulele Polokwane City asakhona ngicapitalize asakhona ngokubuya but when you look at the game where did coach Phuthi get it right because playing against Mamelodi Sundowns no I say right ke tla jwetsa why
okay
playing against Mamelodi Sundowns le Polokwane City you're expecting 3 or 4 or 5 goals
in the first half
but you only considered 2 goals in the second half first half ifedile nil bazokora second half so it means game plan high span mara where did he get it wrong
I think the approach of the game low block you can't play low block Mamelodi Sundowns they know how to unlock the low block understand but I think the first half in this game Mamelodi Sundowns Polokwane City have chances I always say again they are not clinical up front if you have those players who knows what to do with the ball we're talking about something else right now understand so hence I was saying you have your tempers while losing the ball no atebolo trap ball Mudiba Matuludi was here understand about how the mistake were and there but I think in you can't depend on playing equal to play for team Kaufel so if Matuludi is there in the game you need about baba like other teammates who assist I think you're on team shall play and another thing you want to play the count to have the players who have the run kapa the players to lo khona etsa uti step at defense aid because ndamani Cupido abana speed into apel so they supposed to capitalize on that wabo so second half Nuno Santos in Leon's in even though asakora but wabona khona le tenko gaming assistinyana khela besa ithola but wabona gore it meant something for them but for me this game it was going to be a 50-50 I always say this if you are playing Mamelodi Sundowns the smaller teams there don't come there by low block it's not a bad thing but even though you come with a low block tlamile ube le plan gantle low block if ba o qhaqa yona what ke formation efeng o tlo sebedisang that's why they consider 3 goals and another thing experienced players you need experienced players go team yao it's not a good game but Mamelodi Sundowns have experienced players they have players who know how to grind the results even though basna the good game it was not a good game at all it was not a good game but the results ke 3-0 the mistakes of Polokwane City
South American players coming through for Mamelodi Sundowns again
thank you
Nkuli what does this result mean for Orlando Pirates is the league gone
I league ihambile mfethu ngoba iSundowns I think say afford ukuthi maybe ngadropa maybe ama points ayi2 withdraw but maye ngadropa thola ukuthi Orlando Pirates izowawina amanye ama game so Orlando Pirates kumele ibheke ukuthi Sundowns maybe drope kwamanye ama game noma ingathola idraw then Orlando Pirates ngakwazi ukuwina maybe ama game ayi2 because Orlando Pirates namagoli amaningi compared to iMamelodi Sundowns so iPirates they are hoping ukuthi iSundowns at least ba draw igame eyodwa yabo and then bona bawinela ama game ayi2 lapho bazolingana nama points ngeSundowns bazobashanga goal difference but I think in all honesty why isikhuluma isingisi but I think ileague ihambile to be fair ngicabanga ukuthi neOrlando Pirates mayibheka la bahleli khona bafethu la eMidrand baya collapse abafana ngicabanga ukuthi bheka imbombi okwamanje I think Orlando Pirates mele ifocus more ukudefenda iMTN 8 than icabange ngeleague okwamanje yabo but yeah iligi ehambile bafethu you cannot you competed well you pretended that you will compete until sabona ukuthi Orlando Pirates inama collapse but yeah Orlando Pirates they will look back kule sikhathi lesibabona ukuthi ileague baziluzele bona ngokwabo yabo akekho umuntu akumele bamblame ukuthi Sundowns maybe powerful this season no kumele baziblame bona nje Orlando Pirates ukuthi bona ba drop ama points la bekungamelanga ba drop ama points so bafethu this is Unkuli Soccer the face and the voice of South African football I am bigger than labantu abaku SuperSport in terms of our numbers if bacabanga ukuthi bayangiphikisa abangibonisa nami ngizobabonisa wami so ngila ngoba ngikwazi ukukhuluma ibhola ngokweqiniso ngeunderstand nebenter but abanye aba understand ba captured they are on their knees while I'm up I'm running.
Lerato, you are the face of football Kobatung Basfazan. You are bigger than Mama Joy.
What's Ibalil?
Mama Joy is not at your level. You should be going to the World Cup, not Mama Joy.
Right.
Mama Joy at Zibi Bolo. Na supporta Pirates, ning sa supporta King. Royal AM, supporta Matimes
ngawa. Kimbona Carlo Santos na batla we, but
why na say Mpuma nini Eswatini?
Ai lo muntu lo ayikindaba yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs are playing Mamelodi Sundowns next. Wena as a Chiefs supporter, how important do you think that game is for the outcome of the league? Given Orlando Pirates win against Stellenbosch, that game ibutloka byang.
For
Sundowns, it's not important for
Chiefs, obviously.
It's important for Sundowns and Pirates.
Yeah, but I think for me, for Pirates, it's gonna be a bonus for them to say if you're gonna draw or Sundowns lose, which that thing is not gonna happen. Sorry, Marcos. And then the other thing, they have to win a game against Stellenbosch. You understand? They have to win that game. High or low, they have to win that game. So that the result at Lanka Wednesday, if Chiefs is Sundowns can draw, it means something at least. I'm not saying that at least. Then the remaining games. But for me, I don't think Sundowns it will lose which is the way but I'm not convinced at all. I'm not. So Pirates, the only thing that they have to do by making sure still is sharp keep down. They must make sure. Because Chiefs are a team I always say that even those Sundowns that don't have the best game, but they know how to grind the results based on the players that they have. And on the other side, coach Chiefs, you can see Hore. Thank you.
So it's okay, so right. Okay. Ngifuna ukubuza umdumi na ngoba wesibuza umfowethu lana ama question but wena mdu cabanga iOrlando Pirates reacta kanjani njengoba ibona iSundowns ishaya 3 what's next ubaz prepare kanjani kulama game le psyche yabo bakuphi as ama players and babuya kanjani ibelief yabo bakuphi nokumisela kwabo kwamanye ama game ubone iOrlando Pirates kulama game la ezowadlala ukuthi izo reacta kanjani mayibona iSundowns ingadlali their best football but they are able to get ama results lokho ukuthini kubo nabo bazo reacta kanjani nje kuyo yonke le chaos.
This is a confidence booster for Orlando Pirates. And ngizokutshela why ngisho so. If iSundowns beyidrawile ne. iPirates bezoba complacent ukuthi league yethu bese Stellenbosch yabadla. Mara now nabaya against Stellenbosch into yokuthi bafethu yabona if bathi Sundowns yaslula. If I lose that league rather ibe 2 points. Ising 5 points, ising 6 points, 8 points. Rather ibe 2 points. And if you want to approach every game ka mentality only mindset iSundowns yona self into ezobenza ba drop ama points bazothi sesirepile.
Thank you.
And you know what Miguel Cat also then does? Uzofuna ukupromote ama key player wakhe for a care. Kuthi league sesirepile, that's when they lose points. Mamelodi Sundowns are going to lose points to a team sonke singa expectang. Clip this moment. When it happens, make it trend.
Cheers,
and you will understand why I am the best analyst.
Okay, whoa, yeah, na yenye question follow up question mnganami. Sundowns ingawa drop ama points because he ball at the end of the day but Orlando Pirates is sure kangakanani ukuthi izowawina because wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngeSundowns izo drop ama points njalo sithi izo drop ama points. What about the Pirates because naye asithembi
what we are saying mina nyayithembi iPirates izowina wonke ama game wayo
izokorela ubani
uzowina wonke umfuke ngokhona apolice ukhona umbuthumo ukhona utsebang moremi megapholile ukhona bafethu thank you so much for joining us for the live. We appreciate the support, we appreciate the love, we even appreciate the hate nenizondayo. It's okay, continue to hate but watch us flourish sisho njalo isilungu Baridanko, thank you, Cyril's breakfast. It's ready for you to eat. Mine Kamala Mumtusbego, and I am the best analyst in the country. Mpetunkuli Usoka, the face of South African football online. Mpetuli Rado, the best female analyst. She's better than Omama Joy.
Thank you.
Thank you.